Hey guys, my name's Delaney, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the best benefit brows of your entire life. I'm going to be showing you how to use the brand new brow microfilling pen. So strap in and get yourselves ready. This step's really important. This is the first one. Make sure you brush out the brows. Step 2 is going right in with the brow microfilling pen. The most important thing to remember about this though, guys, is make sure your brows are clean, that there's no makeup in them, they're not wet or anything like that. Go in with the clean brow, and I'm just showing you the prongs and the details and everything. Step 3 is going in with Precisely My Brow, just to define the brow a little bit more and just to fill in some gaps I may have missed. And lastly, step 4, 24-hour brow setter, just to lay those puppies down. Alright, so the only thing I can really tell you guys that's key to using this is you stamp and swipe. Stamp and swipe. That is how you get the best results from this pen. So a little fun fact about this pen. Most brow pens on the market are made with polyester. So what that means is the product can't get through the brows evenly, and the polyester doesn't allow product to be dispersed evenly. So Benefit went in and designed this pen with nylon. So the nylon allows the product to be evenly dispersed, and they also individually place those prongs in there so you're able to get a more natural wispy look. I am using the shade Deep Brown if you were wondering, and if you guys need help picking a color, just choose your hair color and the pen will pull through your own undertones so it ends up being the perfect color for you. And like I said before, make sure your brows are all nice and clean, because if you go in putting the 24-hour brow gel underneath it or anything like that and you don't let the product dry, what's going to happen is those little holes in the nylon are going to get clogged, and then you're not going to get the best results from the brow pen. So make sure your brows are nice and clean. Pro tip for you, to get the best look from this pen, the longest prong, which is in the front, should always be facing your nose. And this pen really gives you the most gorgeous microbladed look without the hassle. And it is on sale right now for $25. And as you guys can see, this product is really buildable, so you can go back in and fill in where you want. If you want to make your brows more wispy, a little bit taller, you can go in and do that. And again, the prongs, I love how the first one is so long because you get such a fluid and clean line. I'm just obsessed with it, you guys. Alright, so now I'm taking Precisely My Brow pencil, and basically what I'm doing here is all I am doing is defining, making more defined lines, filling in where I may have missed, because the brow pen is a little bit lightweight. So think of the microfilling brow pen like a BB cream, and Precisely My Brow like a full coverage foundation. So you can go in and kind of cover up any blemishes, if you will, or spots that you missed or the pen couldn't fill in. You just go in with Precisely and just cover that right up. And last but not least, we're going to be going in with 24-hour brow setter just to lay those puppies down. Make sure they're not going anywhere, and that also really helps with that wispy natural look as well. So I let the brow gel dry for a couple minutes, and now I'm just going back in with Precisely and just further defining. I'll find, like, at the very end, I'm like really picky, so I'll go back in and just define where I really want definition, where I want more coverage, where I want it to be a little bit darker, you know. Just keep going back in, and the brow gel is completely dry, so now we can go back in with the microfilling brow pen if we need to. I was feeling like my brows weren't weren't wispy enough in the front, which is an easy fix because these products layer really well. And the microfilling brow pen formula is super lightweight and buildable, so this is not a problem if you're somebody who likes to go back in detail. That, you guys, is the brand new Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen. Love you guys. Bye.